Hello everyone, I hope you're having a blessed day. I'm Leatherneck. Welcome to my channel, Leatherneck IT. Go down, hit the join button, sign up for the membership, like, share, subscribe, drop me a comment, all that good stuff. This is TestOut Linux Pro. This is Lab 6.1.4 install and RPM package. Let's get started. So if you watched your videos and your task or your fact sheets, RPM is just the Red Hat package manager, and anytime you want to install something that supports it, like fonts and screen colors and all these different things that you can do. There's a lot of packages out there on GitHub, but anyway, you got to use the RPM command, Red Hat package manager. The IT manager in your organization has asked you to install the font config, this version, .rpm package, complete this lab. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. And the first thing we need to do is we need to get into the root. You can't install anything without the root. Okay, now that we're in the root, we can do the install, so it's RPM. And now we need to figure out the switches that we're going to use. I happen to know that it's these. You could do the -- help and go look for yourself. But the I is to install, the V is Verberos. It gives you more details as it's installing so that you can see what's going on. And the hash just prints the hash showing you that it's installing. Okay. And now this needs to be in the home. W. Adams, right? I know I read that right. Yes, and it's already downloaded, so we don't need to go and download it. It's already downloaded. And we want this file. We should be able to copy and paste this into there. Just kind of give it a quick click, and there we have it. Enter, and you can see the hashes and the details coming up. That's what the IVH is doing there. Now it wants us to verify that it worked, that it did install. So just RPM, and that's going to be -Q. And we want font config. Is that right? Yes. And it did install correctly. So let's check our answers. And there you have it, another successful TestOut lab. I hope this helped you out with the lab and understanding the switches, how to find the switches, so that you can put a good score together for your test. Anyway, sign up for the membership, like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day.